Yes, good morning. I welcome you to this program today. This program is going to be something else. It's going to really be fascinating. It's going to be interesting, I believe. Though some persons might see it as if I said everything. I shouldn't have said a lot of things I am to say right now. But we really need to talk about it. We need to discuss it so that we can put an end to these challenges we are facing today in our African settings, in the world today. Most people complain of immorality in the world. Immorality, actually, I would tell you that children, rather, people would say they are corrupt, they are this, they are that they don't really know how to behave themselves, children in these universities and in gatherings, right, like that, they're messing up and all that. But I can tell you that one thing is certain: most of the things they do, or most of the things you see them doing, if we must tell ourselves the truth, most of the things you see them doing is not because they wanted to do that, but because they learned all that from their parents. They learned all that from their mothers, from their fathers. Anyhow you train your children in this life, that is what the child is going to give to you and later on, unless by the grace of God, that maybe God said to the child, you're going to work for me, and the child listens. Otherwise, the child is going to give you exactly what you gave to him or her at birth, when he or she was an infant. Anything you tell your child at this time, that is what the child is going to be like. Okay, most of our young girls put on some crazy things, so they wear some silly kind of costumes and all that. Most people say it's because some are celebrities, some say it's not because of celebrities. Some people say it's all about the changing society. The society is changing to a more corrupt state. But I tell you, most of the things they wear today, their mothers and their fathers, or rather, let me use the word, their mothers, they are wearing that in the house. Yes, their mothers are putting on all those kind of skimpy clothes in the house and out of the house. Then how do you expect your child to be looking at you all the time when you're going out to put on something, showing you your kind of your private parts of the body and all that, and you're showing it outside, telling me it's fashion of today? Then when the child wants to modify anything the children wants to do, they modify it in their own way, and when they do it modified, and you begin to complain that your children are not listening to you, that your children are this, your children are that, but you are the cause of all that. Excuse me, if we must tell ourselves the truth, whatever thing you give, anything you throw to the world must come back to you. Anything you want the world to see from you is what they see. Any life you live, whether in your home or out of your home, maybe in your house, in your neighborhood, you try to pretend as if you are good, God is watching you. So what I'm saying to us this day is, we really need to change the way we live, so that we will get some things from God and society will be good for us. If what I said is meaningful, leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Once again, my name is Chidi Ikenna Amobi. It's nice having you here. Thank you very much, and bye.